Which creature could complete 200 million years of Earth's evolution in just 2 hours? This might be the greatest threat humanity has ever faced. A massive cavern formed by a meteorite impact created a bizarre, isolated world. From single-celled organisms to multicellular life, from birds to primates, alien life forms rapidly adapted to Earth's environment. With survival threatened, where could humans possibly go? Late at night, a sports car drove into the desert. Mike pulled an inflatable girlfriend out of the trunk and dragged it into a small cabin. Was he really about to let loose in the middle of nowhere? But then Mike poured gasoline and set his girlfriend on fire. It turned out he was preparing for a firefighter exam, practicing his drills out here. With his over-the-top acting and clumsy moves, passing the test seemed unlikely. Just then, a burst of fire shot toward him, blowing up his girlfriend and his car in an instant. The scene shifted. Our protagonist John was lecturing in class. Once a colonel in the army, he had now fallen to teaching biology at a university. On Friday, he went to have dinner with his friend David, but it was clear David had already eaten. Instead, David drove him to the meteorite crash site, claiming that members of the Geological Society had gone down to investigate. John was stunned to see that something had already started growing on the surface of the meteorite that had fallen just last night. Cracking it open, they found an unknown fluid seeping out. John took a piece of the meteorite to study further. In the lab, John placed the strange fluid under a microscope and discovered single-celled organisms, rapidly dividing at a shocking speed. Soon, they broke right through the cover slip. Gene sequence analysis confirmed they were definitely not of Earth. The next day, John called David to the lab to show him the incredible division speed of these single-celled organisms. But when David looked, he saw they had already evolved into multicellular life. 200 million years of Earth's evolution completed in just a few hours. Excited, David thought this was his chance at a Nobel Prize and global recognition. Together with students, they prepared to dig out the meteorite.